Hello, my name is Meaghan. For those of you who don't know me, Chloe is kindly letting me vlog on her channel. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. I think we're just gonna do our last weekend in Italy and some of my favorite spots and favorite things about being here, so bear with me. Today, we're gonna go shopping, and I think I'm gonna get a haircut from our girl Anna. So this is hopefully the last time you're going to see this long mess. Stay tuned.
I'm twitching.
Here we go. Is it lunchtime?
Yeah.
Would it be weird if I got a cappuccino right now?
No.
With a burger? Because a burger sounds delicious. Number 12. Here we go.
San Agostino.
Esatto. One of my favorite things about Italy. Just kidding. You're the worst. My favorite church.
Crusty avocado.
Crusty avocado. So I lied, this is not the last time you will see my crusty ass hair. It's still here. We're currently at Vita, our favorite coffee place in all of Italy, the only one we ever go to. But as an update, we finished finals, we killed the game, we did a damn chic photo shoot, killed the game, and now we're here getting crusty avocado. Crusty avocado. Gluten free.
I need that.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Also, favorite thing about Italy, cappuccinos all day, every day. Andiamo. Thank you. This is why. Yeah, I like that one. It's Anna. I'm taking over the vlog today. Pitti Palace, looking like an aperitivo. And we're in the middle of the flag.
Have you seen the flag?
We're home now. Anna?
Yes.
Tell us what we're going to do. What are we going to do today?
Chop your hair off.
Yes, we are. Chloe's in the background. She's cooking.
Making some nudes.
Okay, let me put this horsey around my shoulders so I don't get a bunch of hair stuck in my sweater. Those look like hair cutting scissors.
They're from Bagger.
Oh, yes.
Couple 8 inches?
Couple inches. Holy shit! Alright, Anna, I trust you. Here we go.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Wait, I need to see this.
It's happening, Chloe. Felt that. Let me see. Thank God.
Oh, that's scary.
Ew,
What are you gonna do with
gross. Oh, I feel liberated.
that?
Okay, can I throw this away really quick?
Yeah.
Keep it. Ew!
Wait, you didn't tell anyone you're doing this?
I told Camila and Stacy knows. Camila's the only one who knows it's happening today. I've told Camila since I told you that I was doing it. Santiago's gonna be like, what the fuck did you do to your head?
Yeah, let me just... Sorry. Starting the first scissors. Thank you. Doesn't mean a lot. Not a lot.
Thank you, Chloe. That's what I needed. I hope she's filming herself.
I hope she keeps the sound on for this part.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Meaghan. I know you didn't recognize me, but here I am, so. Thank you to Anna for my beautiful haircut.
Anytime.
What's your business called? Hems and Hair. In time.
And a gal. I'm confusion.
We're gonna have to tell the vlog the story about our new band.
Get ready. Who are you? You're supposed to introduce yourself.
We're going to the Christmas markets.
I'm Mrs. Puff.
I love Italy because of these lights.
Cheers. Ooh, this is different than the other one. In a good way? Better? Actually, I don't know. It's festive.
She likes it. It's festive. We like it.
Oh, you don't like?
Another great thing about Italy, Christmas markets.
Hi, welcome to Bus to Alps.
I was thinking about that. I'm sad alone in a boggy marsh.
Totally motionless except for her heart. Mud flowed up into lumps, pajamas. She totally confused all the passing piranhas. She's lump, she's in my head. She's lump, she might be dead. Lump lingered last in line for brains, and the one she got was sort of rotten and insane. Small things so sad that birds could land. Is Lump fast asleep or rocking out with the band?
Update. Anna. Make the fucking orange peel. You have an orange peel. You have an orange peel. You don't have an orange peel because Anna ate it. She's still in the process of eating it.
Is that an ornament? And that's a sitting one. Yeah. He sits.
He sits. He sits.
What is that? A lump. I need to evacuate.
Time to go. Empty glasses. Without ice. Without orange peels. 3 straws. You eat it.
No, I shouldn't.
Listen, everyone. We're going to doner kebab.
It's Oaks.
Let's go.
Oh, to
To go. Say that again.
I love donor. Please stop.
Update. Eating samosa.
Hello.
And Anna. Eating doner kebab. Welcome to doner.
Lump.
Lump.
Mom said alone in a foggy marsh.
She's got her keys. Today was a lovely day.
What's the question of the day?
Oh shit. Favorite song lyric. And you can't say lump. Think about it.
She said alone in the boggy marsh.
You can't pick lump.
You said you can't say lump.
You can't pick
And I
any.
didn't.
You can't pick anything from lump.
Peaches come